In this video, I'm going to show you how to create product subcategories. So first, here on the H panel on Hostinger, we're going to have to select our website. So let's select our website. And then here first, I'm going to show you how to create the subcategories in the store management area. So we're going to have to head over to the online your online store, and then please click on manage storage from here. And then what you're going to have to do is to click on categories. Now here we're going to click on add categories, and let's say this is shirts, one subcategory. And now I'm going to assign some products here. Save. Gonna save. Excuse me. We can add another category here. Let's say shirts to subcategory. Assign some products from here. You can also change the order if you also. Now you can click on save. Now we have two subcategories. So now let me show you how you can display your subcategories on your website. So what you're gonna need to do here is just to click on edit website. And then from here, once you did that, you're gonna have to click on pages and navigation. And from here, we can add, just gonna delete this page. Now, you can add this coming soon anyways, but here, let's add page. And then here on this new empty page, I'm gonna name this shirts. And I'm gonna add inside this page, this subcategory, all right? So what I can do now, okay, and now what you're gonna have to do, let's actually go here to add section and add online store. I'm gonna select this one product list from here. Now from here, you can click on added section. And then here you can actually change the sorting. So you can show in the section. So you can actually, I'm gonna change this one with, I'll prefer to use actually this one. And here we're gonna look for, we have filtering, which product category to show, and I'm gonna show this subcategory only on this page. And then you can grab this and drag from hidden from menu. We don't want to show this here in the menu, right? And now we can create another page, an empty page. We can name this however we want. I'm gonna drag also here this one here, and then I'll click on online store here. I'll select this and click on edit section. Here you have filters, and then I'll select only subcategory 2. Okay, and only those products will be displayed here, which is that's what we want. Now if you want to just to change a couple of stuff here, let's say add to button, it shows it only on hover. If you want to change or always, you can change the color, the fill from here. Also for style, if you want to add an image or video behind, you can. Section color you can also change. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching and take care.